It's deliberately narrow, instant, no download screen sharing for sales calls, so it's excellent at that one job and thin everywhere else. No full video conferencing suite, no deep collaboration or webinar tooling. That's the part of CrankWheel nobody puts in the headline. So, is it actually worth your money?
We've read the fine print and pulled the receipts. And if the honest answer is skip it, that's exactly the verdict you'll hear.
Okay, first things first. What does it actually do?
Here's the core of it. Instant, no download screen sharing built for sales calls. Share your screen with a prospect in seconds from any device to close deals faster.
That's the pitch. Now, the price.
Let's talk price. There's a free tier that genuinely does something, and paid plans kick in around $99 a month. Every tier is broken down in the free dossier on our AI Builder Marketplace website, and we never make the numbers up.
And the catch? Hold on, every tool has fine print. Is this actually worse than normal?
The free and solo tiers cap meetings, which an active rep will hit. If you want an all-purpose meeting platform, this isn't it. If you want prospects to see your screen in seconds with zero friction, that focus is exactly why it works. And that's not our opinion. It's on their own pricing page.
So, who is it genuinely for?
Honestly, sales reps, insurance agents, and consultants who need prospects to view a screen instantly with no download or install on any device.
And who should walk away?
Simple. Skip it if you need full video conferencing, webinars, or team collaboration, Zoom or Meet fit better, or your call volume stays under the free tier. So, the verdict. Worth it if you're sales reps. Skip it if you need full video conferencing.
The complete CrankWheel dossier, every claim sourced, every flag with its evidence, is free in the Honest Software Atlas on our AI Builder Marketplace website. No sign up.
And if CrankWheel isn't your fit, the honest alternative is one click away.
Used CrankWheel yourself? The dossier now takes reader reviews, and critical ones get published too.
Quick one for the comments. Are you team free tier or team pay for power? We read every single one.
One honest software review, every single week.
No hype, no fake discounts, and we say skip it when that's the truth. Subscribe and catch the next one.